Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see all character that you have and make it a tag or sort to make you easier assemble a team. Let's get started. Tap team and tap the character list. So before I want to show you how to do it, this video is made for new player or for the beginner only. So in the default, it's divided by two groups. This unit that can add to your team to assemble a team, and this is divided by, you can filter this. You want to by type or by for example acquired character. This is the character that recently you got, or you can use by a max level, so the highest level until the low level. And this is the order. I'm usually tap this by type to make it easier. And this group is that cannot add to teams like a Zenny, and also this is for train your or level up your super attack like this Elder Kai and Grand Kai. But you can divide it into more groups to make it easier. So let's tap this filter, and you can scroll down like this. You can use this filter select. I want to see the AGL only. Tap the AGL and tap OK. This is the only character, AGL character that you have. And I want to show you this. You can read it, you can learn it one by one. It's very easy. But this one, I want you to tag on. Okay. And I divide my character, and you can divide your character until 7, and team X is for uh level up super attack. This one I make it for 7 group and make it a tag list like this, like per saga. You can also make it according your idea to make it better, to make it easier to sort your character. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.